Welcome to part 2 of clearing the clutter. So if you haven't checked out part 1, which is when I went through all of my shoes and kind of cleared those out, then you can check that video out. I'll leave it in the description below. But today we're actually jumping into the closet. In this video, I'm going to tackle probably the first 2 sections of my closet, going through and figuring out what I no longer love and going ahead and donating it, and figuring out what I'm going to keep. Now, my rule of thumb with this closet organization is if I can't think of 3 ways or 3 times that I will actually wear the item, then it has to go. So we're jumping into the white and off-white section for today. So let's jump in. Okay guys, so my closet is not the most organized place, and I'm okay with that because that's what this series is going to do. I'm kind of taking my time with this and just making this my project day by day. Today I went to work, so it's literally after work hours. I'm going to go through this. So for the most part, this is my winter clothes. So going through these, I'm going to go ahead and go through them and then put away or store winter clothes that I won't be wearing, because we are moving into the spring months, or we're already technically in the spring month, although the weather doesn't agree with that. And figuring out what's staying and what's going. So let's jump in. The first item in my closet is this white corset, and look at the details on that. Now, I bought this because I want to wear it, and I still do want to wear it somehow in my engagement shoot, but I can think of ways to dress this up and down, so we're going to keep that. Next item is this dress, and I think this is one of the ones I'm going to give it one more lap around the park. If you can see the details of this dress, it's a really nice dress. I got this dress from like a TJ Maxx or something a while ago, and if I do try it on, I will definitely post some pictures in it. But I think I can think of at least 2 ways to wear it. So yeah, this dress is also for me. I feel like I can wear this in the fall and I can wear it in the summer because it is sleeveless. But if I don't want a blazer like this, I think that that would look really nice for fall or work. So I'm gonna put this here. I'm gonna table it because I want to put it on and see if it's still my like style. All right, the next couple of items are some white tees. So some white shirts. So I got this shirt from J. Crew, your standard wardrobe foundational white shirt. This one doesn't have collars and it has a bit of a button detail here. I definitely can think of ways to wear this in the spring and the summer. This is definitely a foundational piece that I think can stay for sure. I think we can keep that. Alright, this shirt I've had for quite some time, guys. It has like a ruffle detail. It's a Ralph Lauren shirt. I've had this in my closet for years now. I probably need to try it on and figure it out. So I'm going to put that here because this is going to go with the what to wear this with, if this is still my style, if I'm really interested in this. So I'm going to put that there. The next one is, I think this is, a Zara shirt. Again, this is another foundational piece. I can think of multiple ways to wear this. This is like a long shirt, almost like a tunic dress situation. So I definitely think this is like a foundational piece. So I'm definitely going to keep this in the closet. And you're going to find like a lot of the white things are foundational pieces. This next one was an impulse buy. I bought this from Shein or Shein, whichever, but look at the details. Look at that sleeve detail. I think I can think of 3 ways, or I could possibly find some inspo for this. So I'm going to put that here too, because we're going to try it on and figure it out. Now, even if I don't get 3 wears out of it, I at least want to get 1 wear out of it, because it is a trendy look. So I don't know how long it's going to stay with me, but I'm going to keep it on hand. The next one is this tuxedo blazer dress, guys. Yes, this is so pretty. So I definitely can think of me wearing this at least twice. One for, again, this is what I bought when I was thinking about a photo shoot for me and my fiance, so I'll probably wear it for that, but also like a date. This is giving a cute date night vibe or whatnot, so definitely think I'm gonna keep that in the closet. And follow me on Instagram because you'll probably see me in it. Alright, this next one, y'all. Such an impulse buy. I've got to try this on and figure this out. It's a long white dress. I bought this because me and my fiance was like, oh, we're just gonna go get married on 2/22/22. We did not do that. So I need to try this on to see if it even fit, if it needs to get tailored, what I could possibly do with it. And yeah, we're gonna see. So I'm gonna put that over here as well. My coat I'm keeping, but I need to take it to the cleaner, so I am going to make a cleaner's pile. I'm going to take it off the hanger and make it a cleaner's pile because it's that time when you get your winter clothes clean and store them. All right, this shirt this was also a foundational situation. I used to wear this a lot, but I'm really not feeling this. Like, it's see-through. I don't think I will wear it. I haven't reached for this in years. It's just been in the closet, so it's probably a no for me for this. I think I can go ahead and donate this. I think we could let this one go. So I'm gonna put this in my donation pile. And then you have its similar sister. This was more like a peplum look here. Shirt, y'all. I don't even think I can fit this at all. Like, it's not my size, and I can say, oh, I'm gonna lose weight, I'm gonna do that. This shirt won't be the motivation to do it. And I feel like if I want this look, if this look comes back on trend, then I'll get it then. But this one, it's gonna go. Another one that's just been in the closet for years. Wow, this is actually easier than I thought. Alright, the next one is this, and this is to me a foundational piece as well, but this is more like a winter foundational piece. It's a turtleneck, it's a turtleneck, how do you say it? Sleeveless turtleneck or sleeveless high neck shirt. I can definitely think of 3 ways to wear it, especially in the fall and winter months because it is very thick. It's from Zara, so we can go ahead and pack this down because I don't think that I'm going to wear this now. Making room with the hangers. Okay, now this piece is from H&M, and it's like a sweater, like a knitted dress situation, right? And I love this look. I don't know if I can think of 3 ways I'm going to think of it, but I know that I have already worn this with the long tunic. I think I put it back in here. With the Zara tunic under it, like a layered look towards the beginning of the school year. So that's something else that I can throw on like now for like towards the end. So definitely gonna keep that on hand. Might be something I put on next week. Alright, this next one is like a off-white color corduroy shirt, which I'm actually looking forward to. I bought this for a look I had in mind. I've tried it on before the look, so I definitely am going to keep this one in the closet. I'm going to also research other ways that I could possibly wear this, maybe as like a quick throw on like jacket per se. I feel like it can go as outerwear, it can go as a regular shirt, so we're going to keep that. Might be able to go as a layered look in the fall winter months. And then this blouse has been in my closet for quite some time, and I feel like it's not my style anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. This next one I had actually sitting out in the closet because I was trying to think of 3 ways to wear it. It is like a cream color sweatshirt, and it has like this arm detail, this big arm detail, and I feel like that's what's throwing me off, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this one go. I honestly tried with this, like I had it out and sitting and thinking, and nothing was coming to mind. All right, and then this dress, I actually wore this on date night for Valentine's Day. I wore this on Valentine's, I think it was Valentine's Day that I wore this dress. So this is a cute, quick, nude color dress. You can't go wrong with this. A foundational piece. I would say it's for all seasons. Like, you could put this on in the spring, summer night. I could wear this in the spring, I wore it in the winter already, so definitely gonna keep that in the closet. Then you have this one. I actually just wore this last week, so look y'all, I wore it and it still even got the tag on it. Came from H&M, 30 bucks. This is like a outerwear situation, or I can do it how I was talking about the knit with a layered situation, but this is definitely thick and it could go for spring. I actually wore it last week, like right before winter was out. It was giving a winter white situation. I've worn it to brunch as well, so I definitely think it's a staple piece I can keep. And I'm gonna go ahead and pack it down because I don't think I will reach for it again this season. So we can pack that one down. All right, then you got this. This is like a vest. It's like a minkish vest. And you know what's crazy? This was an impulse buy from like Marshall's. And when I bought it, it sat in my closet for months. And then one day I had on like all black and I grabbed it and put it on. And it honestly like elevated the look. Like it was for me just a throw on, but it elevated the look. So I think that I may grab this more next winter or so. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack that down as well. And then this Tommy Hilfiger dress, which I just wore not too long ago, a couple of weeks ago. This doesn't need a three different looks. It doesn't need that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack it down because it's a dress. It speaks for itself. I love it. I love the quality of it. It's like a sweater knit dress. Absolutely love the quality of this, and I love the look that I had. If I can find it, I'll pop a picture up. So yes, we're gonna keep it and we're gonna pack it down because I'm sure I won't be wearing it again this season. All right guys, so we are through the first couple of things, the off-white and cream section. So yeah, we're gonna move into the next section in the next one. So see you guys then.